Let's take a look at how gray water from a home can be used to irrigate plants in the yard. Gray water is the gently used water from your sinks, showers, and washing machine. Instead of sending it straight to the sewer, this water can be captured and reused to irrigate your yard or garden. Before the water reaches your yard, it's pumped through an Aqua 2-use filtration unit. This system removes debris and harmful pathogens to keep the water safe for outdoor use and to help prevent irrigation lines from clogging. Once filtered, the gray water is pumped through the irrigation lines and distributed to your plants. Gray water can be used to water lawns, ornamental plants, shrubs, and fruit trees, but never directly onto edible parts of plants. Gray water must not touch fruits or vegetables, only the soil where they can safely absorb the moisture. Water from the kitchen isn't considered gray water and isn't suitable for irrigation. Kitchen wastewater contains oils, food scraps, and higher levels of contaminants, so it's always sent straight to the sewer, not through the gray water system. If bleach or non-biodegradable soaps or chemicals are used in the bathroom or laundry, the system can easily be switched back to the main sewer line using the built-in diverter on the Aqua 2-use filter. Gray water systems help reduce water waste and sustainably nourish our landscapes, turning everyday water use into a valuable resource.